Have you ever wondered how to write a compelling book description that entices readers? It's like a movie trailer, a sneak peek into the world you've created. A captivating book description can be the deciding factor for a potential reader, serving as a bridge between curiosity and purchase. It's about conveying the essence of the book, its themes and its characters without revealing too much. It's about making your reader yearn for more. So the first step towards creating a book that sells is crafting a book description that sells. But why should you invest your time and energy in writing a compelling book description? Well, let's dive right into the benefits. Firstly, a well-crafted book description can significantly increase the visibility of your book. Imagine the sea of books on Amazon. A compelling description can be the lighthouse that guides potential readers to your book's shores. Secondly, an engaging description is like a magnet, attracting and enticing readers. It's your chance to pique their curiosity, to make them want to know more, to make them click that buy now button. Thirdly, more visibility and engagement naturally lead to more sales. That's right, the power of a compelling book description can directly impact your bottom line. Lastly, in the crowded marketplace of books, a well-written description can set your book apart. It helps your work reach its target audience more effectively and efficiently. A compelling book description isn't just a summary of your book, it's a powerful marketing tool. So, what are the key points to remember when writing a compelling book description? Let's recap. First and foremost, your description must capture the essence of your book. It's important to give potential readers a taste of what's in store without revealing too much. Create a sense of intrigue that leaves them wanting more. Next, remember to target your book's specific audience. If you've written a thrilling mystery, your description should be suspenseful and gripping. If it's a heartfelt romance, aim to stir up emotions. Thirdly, use active language. Make your book's description something that leaps off the page and grabs the reader. Passive language can make for a dull description, so keep it lively, engaging, and full of action. Lastly, keep it concise. You want to entice your reader, not overwhelm them with information. A punchy, engaging description is far more effective than a long-winded one. Remember, your book description is your chance to hook a reader and convince them to take a chance on your book. Now, you're equipped with the knowledge to write a book description that sells. The journey doesn't end here. There's a whole world of publishing waiting for you on Amazon. A compelling book description is your golden ticket to success in this realm. So why wait? Click the link in the description box to embark on your Amazon publishing adventure. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Happy writing!